The lorikeets are squabbling in a gang, so I'm going to peek out the window, see them. Can't even see them. Oh, they were fighting on that thing there. There's a lorikeet there. There's like one, and there's like, you know, 4 in the trees. Lots of pretty lorikeets, but they're making such a big noise. They're like going, what are you doing there? Oh, there's a pigeon down there getting some food. Oh, and there's a little birdie up there wondering where's my food. Too many birds. Yeah, they're still eating something. I only put a little bit of food there this afternoon, so seems they're still eating something. There's still seeds on the ground that the pigeon can scrounge around for. But they're making such a racket I had to inspect